Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to clear up a bunch or a ton of your speech or storage on your iPhone. So the first thing you have to do now is just go into the settings, and in the setting you just need to scrolling down until you found the general part, and then you just need to go click it. And whenever you're here, you just need to scrolling down until you found this iPhone storage, and then you just need to go click this iPhone storage. And now you just need to wait until your phone finish analyzing and calculating the storage that you used on this phone. And here is the result of analyzing the storage on my phone. So I used 128 gigabyte, but then from this storage that provided by my phone I already used 75.3 gigabyte. So here you can also know what takes your storage that much. For me, this application and photo is just a little, and then for the system is also for not that much. So there will be also recommendations for you to get or escaping this storage on your phone, which is pick up all of your photos into the iCloud by enabling it. And you can also get 1.12 gigabyte extra storage by deleting your deleted recently album. So here you just need to go click this part and follow every recommendations that recommended by the system for you to get or escaping a bunch of storage. So that's the way how to get extra storage on your phone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you, so don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.